Ever feel like your savings account is just sitting there, collecting dust bunnies instead of decent interest? You're not alone. For years, traditional banks have offered savings accounts that, frankly, haven't kept pace with the times. But what if there was a different way? A way to actually grow your money without all the hassle of hidden fees and minimum balances? That's where online banks like Ally Bank have stepped into the spotlight, shaking things up with their high-yield savings accounts. They've garnered a lot of attention, and for good reason. But are they the right fit for you? That's the big question we're diving into today. We're not just going to tell you about Ally Savings Account, we're going to explore it, the good, the not so good, and everything in between. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether parking your cash with Ally is a smart move for your financial future. So, grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the interest rate. This is often the biggest draw for anyone considering a high-yield savings account, and Ally certainly delivers here. Historically, their rates have consistently been significantly higher than those offered by traditional brick-and-mortar banks. We're talking about a difference that can actually make a tangible impact on your savings over time. Instead of earning pennies on the dollar, you could be earning dollars on the dollar, and that adds up. Think about it this way. If you have $10,000 in a savings account earning a measly 0.05% annual percentage yield, APY, after a year, you'll have earned a grand total of $5 in interest. Now, compare that to an account with, say, a 4% APY. Rates can fluctuate, so this is just an example. That same $10,000 would earn you $400 in interest over the year. That's a substantial difference. Ally's competitive interest rates can help your savings grow faster, allowing you to reach your financial goals sooner, whether that's a down payment on a house, a new car, or simply building a comfortable emergency fund. This is a major pro in Ally's corner. But it's not just about the high interest rate. Another significant advantage of Ally Bank is their lack of fees. Forget about monthly maintenance fees, minimum balance requirements, or fees for transferring money. These pesky charges can really eat into your savings over time, negating some of the interest you earn. Ally keeps things simple and transparent, allowing you to keep more of your hard-earned money. This simplicity and fee-free structure is a huge plus for anyone looking for a straightforward savings solution. Furthermore, Ally makes accessing and managing your money incredibly convenient. As an online bank, they don't have physical branches, but their online platform and mobile app are user-friendly and robust. You can easily check your balance, transfer funds, set up recurring transfers, and even deposit checks remotely using your smartphone. This accessibility means you can manage your savings from anywhere, at any time, making it incredibly convenient for busy individuals. The ease of use and accessibility is another significant pro. Ally also offers some helpful tools and features to help you stay on top of your savings goals. They often have features like savings buckets, which allow you to organize your money for different purposes, e.g., vacation fund, home repairs, etc. This visual organization can make it easier to track your progress and stay motivated. They may also offer features like roundups, where your everyday purchases are rounded up to the nearest dollar, and the extra change is automatically deposited into your savings account, a small but effective way to boost your savings without much effort. These additional features are definitely a pro for those who like to stay organized and automate their savings. Finally, it's important to address the security aspect. Many people are initially hesitant about online banks, wondering if their money is safe. Rest assured, Ally Bank is FDIC insured, just like traditional banks. This means that your deposits are insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation up to $250,000 per depositor, per insured bank, for each account ownership category. This provides peace of mind knowing that your money is protected. The FDIC insurance is a crucial pro. 1. FasterCapital.com. FasterCapital.com. So, on the surface, Ally's high-yield savings account seems like a winner. But let's put on our critical thinking caps and delve into some potential cons. The most obvious drawback for some is the lack of physical branches. If you're someone who prefers face-to-face interaction with bank tellers or needs services that can only be done in person, like complex wire transfers or notary services, then Ally might not be the ideal primary banking solution for you. While their online and phone support is generally well regarded, it can't fully replace the in-person experience for some individuals. This lack of physical presence is a definite con for those who value it. Another potential con is the limited range of banking products. While Ally offers savings accounts, checking accounts, CDs, and investment options, their suite of products might not be as comprehensive as that of a large national bank. If you prefer to have all your financial needs under one roof, including things like mortgages, personal loans, or specialized business accounts, you might find Ally's offerings somewhat limited. While Ally's online platform and mobile app are generally praised for their user-friendliness, there's always a potential learning curve for those who are less comfortable with technology. While they strive for intuitive design, navigating a purely digital banking experience might take some getting used to, especially for individuals who are accustomed to traditional banking. Furthermore, while Ally doesn't charge many fees, it's important to be aware of the fees they do charge. These typically include things like outgoing wire transfers, domestic and international, excessive transaction fees on their savings accounts, though these are usually quite high thresholds and unlikely to affect most savers, and fees for certain paper statements or account research. While these fees are less common than those at traditional banks, it's still crucial to review their fee schedule to avoid any surprises. While the fee structure is generally a pro, the existence of any fees can be considered a minor con. Finally, it's worth noting that interest rates are not fixed and can fluctuate based on market conditions. While Ally has historically offered competitive rates, there is no guarantee that they will always be the highest. It's always a good idea to periodically compare rates from other high-yield savings accounts to ensure you're getting the best possible return on your money. The variable interest rate is a potential con to consider. So, we've explored the bright sides and the potential downsides of an Ally savings account. Now, let's bring it all together. Who is an Ally savings account a good fit for? Tech-savvy individuals, those who are comfortable managing their finances online and through a mobile app, will likely find Ally's platform convenient and easy to use. Savers prioritizing high interest rates, if your primary goal is to maximize the growth of your savings, Ally's competitive APY is a major draw. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.